Welcome to Games Tester channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Games Tester, and today I'm going to play Knits Bus and Trams. So yeah, this is a game pass that I use. It costs like 28 Robux, so yeah. So we're going to stop at our very first stop soon, yeah. We are now approaching a stop right now, so yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, let's see. Let's open the doors here and let's wait. Okay, that was done. So let's go to the next stop. Let's go. Okay, let me go full speed here. Okay, we are now approaching our second stop. So we're now approaching our second stop. Let's see here. Yep, there's our stop, and let's open our doors and let some people in. Okay, that was done. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going to our next stop, which is kind of far away. Okay, but this will take a while, so I'll speed this up. Here we are. This is our next stop. Let's wait for some passengers to get in. Okay, we are finished and we're up to probably our farthest stop on this tram. So yeah. Okay, here we come. And we're gonna miss that thing. Gonna miss that molding area. Now I'm gonna cross this bridge and we are almost there to our next stop. Okay, just a few more miles, then we'll be there. We're here, time to unload some passengers. Okay, it's time to go to the next stop, which is kind of far away. Okay, we need to do some stuff first. Okay, this time we're taking a different way, on a different track, you know. Okay, this will be a rather far thing than usual. Hope there are no derailments next here. Yeah, I hope no derailments happen. That's the worst part for it to happen. Time to go underground. Okay, I'm just sounding my bell for no reason, and yeah. So next stop, we are now approaching our next stop. Next underground stop, and we're going to be unloading some passengers here. time to go to the next underground stop. Okay, hope nothing glitches soon. Yeah, that's the worst part to happen, and yeah, that makes the tram fall. What's that up ahead? Oh no, that's a map glitch. Oh no, that's not gonna end well. No, no! We will be right back. Okay, that ended badly last time, so let's try again. Okay, let's try again with a different one this time. Okay, I just collected my passengers. What could possibly go wrong? So let's see. Yep. Okay. Okay, we are not going to swim. We're not going to. Okay, we're reaching our next stop. Let's get our passengers here, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm going to change a different way this time. So yeah, I'm trying to do some stuff here. See, look, I'm trying to back up. So yeah, I'm trying to change a different way. So yeah, and I'm going to try to activate this pedestrian crossing. Okay, I'm going to activate this pedestrian crossing. As you can see, I activated the pedestrian crossing, the tram crossing, and yep, I'm passing, and yep, looks like, yep, I'm going. What can possibly go wrong? Oh, there's a train in front of me. I'll see that train soon. Okay, I just want to look at that train leave, and then I'll continue on my route. Okay. Doing my stuff. What can possibly go wrong? Making my way downtown. Yeah, I'm making my way downtown. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I looks like I'm approaching a different stop. Oh no, never mind. I'm not approaching a different stop. Yeah, I'm going to try to get a different. Yep, I see that city over there. I used the route, and then I'm going to head there ASAP. Oh, there's the same station. So let me just get some passengers there, and I'll head off right to the next destination. Okay, let's unload our passengers, and then let's head there. Time to go. Let's see. I'll try to fix some stuff right now. Okay, this is... okay, let me fix this for a second. Okay, this takes almost forever. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, I hope there's no bugs in the rails, because it could lead to a derailment like in an instant. Okay, let's go. Okay, looks like we're on rails this time. Traditional rails. Oh, what's that up ahead? No, brake. It won't actually let me brake. Oh my gosh. No, oh my gosh. It's on fire. Oh gosh, no. This is not good. This is not good at all. Good thing I have a fire extinguisher in hand. Okay, let's see. Okay. Take that. Get out. No files are allowed in my tram. Get out. Spray. Okay, that is probably all the files that I put out. Okay, so let's see. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you in another video another time.
Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.